of there. I'm gonna move. Let the play. Ow, buddy. Benji, easy. There you go. Good job, Loki. Trying to make a friend? The circling's not that great. He's a tough boy. Careful. Crimson, get in.
Start in the puppy break. Start in the puppy break.
You play with the ugliest faces. All right, cutie pies. Time to kennel up. Kennel up. Pick a kennel. Any kennel. Pick a kennel. Any kennel. Kennel up. Hop on in. Good boy, Nacho. Okay. Snacks. Oh, good job, Lokes. All right, guys, kennel up. Oh, good boy. Gotta go around to the other one. Benj. Look, there you go. Boop. Oh, you missed it. Wrong kennel. All righty, we're gonna start closing pepperonis in. Whoops. Kennel up. Good job. Good job. More snacks to come, I promise. More snacks to come. Give me just a second. Sorry, I'm in the middle of the group activity. Yes, sir. Lizzie, kennel up. Good job, everybody. Good job. All righty. Oh, that bounced right out. Okay, you ready, bud? Loki, sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Free. Good job, buddy. Nacho, sit. Stay. Free. Good boy, Buggy. Mr. Benj, sit. Stay. Free. Excellent. All right, Gliz, your turn. Ready? Sit. You got it, mamas. Sit. Stay. Free. Yes, nice job. Nacho! Lizzie, bring the play over here in front of the camera. Get it, Benji. Nacho! Lizzie! Come! Yeah, good job, good job. Sit. Whoa, sit. Lizzie, you two mamas. Lizzie. Whoa, 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 Miss Lady. Whoa, 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 Miss Lady. Sit. Yes, Lizzie. Nacho, sit. Yes. Okay, free. Ow, that was my knee. Dare you to do something on your again, so I don't take the blame. Lizzie, he's doing something. Look, play with this. You have the beaky part. Lizzie, don't get frustrated because he's doing something else. There you go. You can join in. Take a break. Take a break. Okay, you want to try playing with this? Careful, Nacho. No, useless. Useless now. Nacho, Benji, come. Nacho, Benji, come. Good girl, Glizzy. Sit. Sit. Yes, Nacho. Hey, Loki. You gotta sit too, bud. Yes, sir. Good job. Glizzy, sit. Yes, ma'am. Ow, ow. Benji, sit. Benji, sit. No jumps. Sit. Yes. Oh, Loki, move your big butt. Sit. Yes. Wait. Uh-oh. Chew your food, Benji. I'm sorry. It was too much all at once, huh? Whoa, my dude. Whoa, my dude. Nacho. Nacho Pacho. Careful. I know you mean well, but you big and you scare her. No, go play with your friends. Try playing with Nacho? Alrighty, I like that. I think Nacho can take you on looks. Benji, careful. I don't know if you guys are in camera. Come on. There you go. Good boy, Benji. No, get this man. Get this man. You can play with him. Yeah, play with him. All right, guys, follow the leader. Yes, Benji. Oh, I lost my following. My following. Yes, Nacho. Yes, Loki. Yes, Benji. Yes, Nacho. Liz, you want to play? Yes, Loki. Don't step in front of me. Ah! Yes, Nacho. That's right, Nacho. This for Benji. Yes, Loki. Lizzie says she takes break. Good job. This is our follow the leader exercise. Yes, Loki. Basically, all I do is move around. Whoever follows me, yes, Nacho. Ouch. Gets a snack. Excuse me. Yes, Benji. And that's all there is to it. Why do we do this? It creates a little bit of engagement with me. Yes, Benji. Keeps the puppies a little bit active. Yes, Loki. Oops, sorry, Bubba. Yes, Nacho. Okay, sit. Yes, Nacho. Yes, sit. Yes, Loki. Benji, sit. Yes, Benji. Glizzy, sit. Glizzy, sit. Yes, Glizzy, good girl. It's okay if you join just for the sit. Ow, Loki. That wasn't for you. Benji, with me? Come on, all the way, puppy. Come on. There you go. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Ooh, you're slow today. Tired. With me. Good job, Bugs. This way. Good boy. Yes. With me. This way. Good boy. This way. All right, we are doing leash walking today. I need more of your snacks. All right, we're doing loose leash walking. Oh, nice job. Yes. Okay, I gotta like switch gears in my brain. Oh, these are really big. Time for you two. No, you can play. It's okay. I just pulled the camera out. That's all. Careful. Good boys. Careful, Benji. It has been a very active day. It's almost time for a nap, and I just remembering to do my puppy roll call. Okay, so let's introduce who we have. We have Mr. Pongo today, who's been playing like a crazy man. We have Nacho. We have Loki. Hi, guy. Good boy. Let's see here. We got Benji playing with Miss Glizzy. And then we got Miso, the tan pittie. And then we got Mr. Crimson, the black. I don't know what he is. Oh, hey, that's too rough, my love. There you go. It's my gang. Careful, Pongo. Pongo, that was a correction. She said no thank you. Pongo, no sir. No sir. I know she looks beautiful and you really want to play with her, but no sir. She's busy with somebody else. Oops, sorry Pongo, I didn't hit you in the face. Lizzie, you want to get in there? What do you think, huh, girlfriend? I'll throw some snacks in for you. Oh, Lizzie, that's a little too much milk. Good job, Creamy. Good job, Pongo. Careful, buddy. Good job. No, sir. Thank you. Good boy. Benji, you gonna take on Pongo? Good thing. Handling things. Touching the lady in a few different areas. That didn't sound too good. Ears, tail, nails. Marking and treating. If she decides to walk away from me, no biggie. She can come back to me whenever she's ready. So this is more about cooperative care instead of, there you go. Instead of just holding her down and, you know, doing an exam or whatever. So I'll like do some, here comes the ma'am. Good girl. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of cooperative care, which is just some handling, getting her ready for more vet exams. Yes. Whoa, you okay? You need water? Went down the wrong pipe? Okay, here you go. Take your time. We're in no rush. Very good. Okay, let me check the other ear. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Touch the belly. Yes. Let's check the teethers. Okay? Yes, good girl. Oh, you got that fly. I think you got it. Oh, no, maybe not. There's a couple of them, and there's another one, or you really got that one. I'm not too sure. All right, sweet. Let me see the other side. Let me see the other side, teethers. Yes, good girl. Fly hunter. that might be a little much, dude. You know, he's bigger. Okay. Careful, Loki. You bigger. Good job, guys. Careful, Loki. Careful, careful. Good boy. Good to let him up. Careful, Loki. Easy. Too much. Hey, that part's too much. You can't chase him down like that. Good boy. Take a break.